Good morning, YouTube. If you guys are just waking up, I have not woken up yet because I have been awake. I just got off work and I bought a few things about one thing to help me out with the look of the car. Just on the outside, it's gonna be very minor, but it's gonna look better in my eyes because I've seen it when it's done. So let's get outside. I gotta turn off all these lights, so let me pause the video real quick. You guys aren't gonna tell, it's just gonna skip to another part, but let me turn off these lights. I gotta pause the video. All right, so this is what she looks like. Really dirty right now, but if there's one thing that I don't like, it's definitely that and those. And to take them off, and there's a few screws, but it also has like 3M tape on it, and I have to take it off with this. A little bit of goo gone. So I'm gonna take it off right now, just with the screws, and then once I scrape the tape off, I will show you guys the rest of it, okay? So that was a little pain in the butt, but I got it off. It's so faded. I mean, it was so stuck, it even took some of the paint off. Oh, it's worse right here. Sheesh. That's very bad. So I'm gonna just take it off real quick. Be right back. Alright, so we got the goo gone. Let's see. I'm gonna try it right here. So I don't exactly know. Let's see, you're gonna learn with me. Wipe clean cloth. Apply allow a few minutes for goo gone. So we're at 35 seconds right now. So we're gonna wait like another minute or two. So the final outcome is doo-doo. It's garbage. Now it's gonna be uglier than what it was right now. I should have just left it on. Oh well, we're gonna find a way to get that off. But thank you guys for watching. It's a total fail right now. I'm gonna go get some sleep because I'm tired. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Alright, so I ended the previous little clip on cleaning the edges of my when I took the little wheel arches off, and I got stuck with a ton of glue, and I couldn't do nothing because I needed a drill. So we got a drill and we got a cheese wheel. It works really well. I started doing that. Works really good. But the other sides are worse. Look at this. Chunks and chunks of glue. I think I'm gonna need another one of these wheels. All right, so I don't know if you remember what it looked like. It's like this, but this is the aftermath. Ooh. When you got the right set of tools, I might have to buy another one of these things though. That's the shitty part. But we moving along. It's taking about 30 minutes just to get this one piece, but it looks really freaking good. I'll show you at the end what everything looks like, alright? So I'm trying to finish this up. I had to take a quick break because batteries died and it wasn't working anymore, but I'm gonna show you guys a close-up on the cheese wheel. I'm gonna call it the cheese wheel, but it's really the eraser wheel. And it's working really good, but I'm at the toughest part right now, on the rear, where it has the most to take off. But I just want to try to get where you can see it just coming up. It's literally scraping it off with ease, especially with fully charged batteries. it helps out a lot. So we're gonna get going, all right? I'm gonna show you everything. I got the setup right here. It leaves a lot of dust though.